Hey, how you doing? This is JJ with Deluxe Vehicle Detailing and Paint Correction here in beautiful Clearwater, Florida. Today I'm going to show you just the after on two vehicles that I just finished working on. This is part of a car collection. I'm going to just give you a little preview of the two cars that I just worked on. Got my light here. Here's my my Astro pneumatic 50 SL. But what I am going to show you is where I am. I am in an entire soon to open museum of vehicles. I have shown you on video several of these in the past. I'm going to give you a little info on what you're looking at. Bear with me while I pick up my notes here. So this is a 1906 white, and this is a steam powered. You can see that it's a steamer, and this is a Model F car. And I thought something interesting. I'm going to take you around here, and I am going to show you so hope you can see this, right? White, right? Sewing machine. I'm trying to get this light right. Bear with me. Sewing machine company. Cleveland, Ohio, USA. Yep, that's right. In 1906, even sewing machine companies started making cars. So this is a steam car, right? You've got all kinds of contraptions to pressurize the steam, to burn it, to keep track of how much pressure you're building, all kinds of cool gauges, and just a very, very unique, cool vehicle. The burner underneath here has to let out some of the heat, so it's got all kinds of holes and stuff. Now these two vehicles, I never quite know what kind of condition I'm going to run into when the owner gives me a call and says, hey, I just got two new cars, and you know, I'm talking to him and I'm like, hey, here's some pretty cool brass plaque ware stuff. Sorry about my lighting here. I really can't get that in very well. Maybe you can freeze it and get it. But anyway, this car was not in too bad a condition as far as just, you know, overall dirtiness. It had been maintained pretty well. It's got a nice little seat someone can sit on. Here's the back. I'll come out here, and then here's the front, right? Some of my paperwork there. Big double steering wheel. And all the gearing and everything. Very, very cool. There's a brass polishing specialist that came out here, was working on this car when I first got out here this morning. But anyway, I bring as much stuff as I can, and I never quite know what I'm going to run into. You want to talk about holy bleach white, and I wish that it was the old formula of bleach white, not the new. But I had not worked on a car that had completely white tires. So this is a company called White. It's a white car. It's got white tires. Awesome, right? So this is a Northern, and this is a 1907. This is a Model C Touring Edition, and this is a two-cylinder gas engine. So right around 1906, 1907, they were converting from steam-powered and also gas-powered and also electric. Half of the cars on the road in this time period were actually electric, much to the dismay of people who think that Teslas and stuff like that were the ones who come out. So this very, very cool, right? Lots of nice woodwork, pretty basic. This is called a Fat Man steering column. It actually, you can go along, follow my light pattern. You can swing this out and get in more comfortable and then bring the steering wheel to you, but it just pivots on that little top piece. Now, this car was absolutely filthy. And I'm gonna show you, those are not scratches. This is wood, and it's basically like a carriage. And through the years, from 1907 till now, is just got some, you know, some expansion while it's been in storage, and who knows what the whole history of this car is. There is a bunch of paint overspray on this. The wheels came out pretty darn nice. They're just absolutely beautiful. Yeah, they're a little banged up. The front ones are actually kind of nicer. Nice, beautiful interior, nice back area. Bring you around here. This is the 1907, right? And this car was a filthy, greasy mess, and now it is just a little more beautiful. So, but I just love all this, you know. I mean, look at the horn, right? Let me get this. That's right. Everything works. All these cars drive. All these cars run, and they're amazing to work on. And I'm very fortunate to be a part of what is called the Collection on Palmetto Foundation. So if you want to look it up in Clearwater, Florida, you can find more information. It will be opening up. But I just want to thank you for being with me, being part of my channel. If you know someone who's into antique cars like these, please share. Give me a thumbs up. It helps my my numbers and everything with all the Google, YouTube things. So always punch that thumbs up for me. I do appreciate it. And give me some comments. Tell me what you think about these cars. Have you ever worked on anything this old? And until next time, enjoy making your vehicles beautiful. Thank you, and I will see you on the flip side.